Welcome back to Marius Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be dealing with WhatsApp application, how we can fix such a problem. Because today morning, I woke up when my account can no longer use WhatsApp. WhatsApp was telling me such a message, and now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this with your friend. I thought of my tutorial. So, if you don't have any software on your phone, you have an iPhone, you have an Android, let us all be having Google Chrome. So I'm going to go here at my Google Chrome application and I open it. If I open my Google Chrome application, I'm going to go where we have the search bar where we search Flow, right there, and then I search, I'm going to search ChatGPT.com, and here I'm going to show you how you can prompt for the review, because WhatsApp did that, but they want us to write a review. So I'm going to show you how you guys can write a review with this AI ChatGPT, because it is the best so far. So I'm going to prompt it like this. I'm going to write I'm going to write a review to WhatsApp community for an error of switching of my account, and you just so that, and then code this account. You can visit and see this account can no longer use WhatsApp. This account can no longer use WhatsApp. Then just code that and then you submit. Then wait for a few seconds. ChatGPT will generate us a review which we are going to be submitting. This is a review. You can prompt it like that. Then you are going to copy this review. You're going to copy. I'm extremely disappointed with WhatsApp for suddenly disabling my account. Then you copy, and then after copying, you come where we have to your WhatsApp. Then here, right here down, you're going to be having a button. Here down, you're going to be having a button that submit your review. Then you're going to click that button. Then after clicking that button, you're going to submit, and then you will see a message like this. Then wait for like 24 hours. Your WhatsApp will be restored. Thank you guys for following. I remain Marius Tech.